how to create a poll on Instagram story. So let's hop into Instagram here, and I'm just going to swipe to the right here to bring up the story. Now on here, I can tap the AA at the left here, and I'm just going to swipe all the way over on here to the very last one, and it's a quiz. So you can see it just comes up with a random quiz or poll. Here you can tap the dice at the top and it will just show a bunch of different ones. Then you can just write who's going to win the Premier League. Then you can put options there, Liverpool or Arsenal and stuff like that. So you can go through here and then just hit next at the top right. Of course, you can always add tags. You can tag certain people, you can add music, any of those different things on here. But now anybody that sees this story will be able to vote specifically what they want to answer on that quiz. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.